Hello and welcome to English Speak and Practice. In this video, you will learn English while you sleep. Just relax, wear your headphones, and let your mind absorb natural English sentences. This video is perfect for listening during sleep, rest, or quiet time. Let's begin your English learning journey. Daily life and routine. I wake up early with a clear mind. I wake up early with a clear mind. I open my eyes and feel relaxed. I open my eyes and feel relaxed. I sit up slowly and breathe deeply. I sit up slowly and breathe deeply. I get out of bed without rushing. I get out of bed without rushing. I start my morning in a calm way. I start my morning in a calm way. I wash my face with cool water. I wash my face with cool water. I brush my teeth carefully. I brush my teeth carefully. I feel fresh and ready. I feel fresh and ready. I wear clean and comfortable clothes. I wear clean and comfortable clothes. I drink a glass of water. I drink a glass of water. I prepare a simple breakfast. I prepare a simple breakfast. I eat quietly and mindfully. I eat quietly and mindfully. I enjoy a peaceful morning. I enjoy a peaceful morning. I plan my tasks for the day. I plan my tasks for the day. I begin my work with focus. I begin my work with focus. I work steadily and patiently. I work steadily and patiently. I stay calm while working. I stay calm while working. I take short breaks to rest. I take short breaks to rest. I stretch my body gently. I stretch my body gently. I return to work refreshed. I return to work refreshed. I complete tasks step by step. I complete tasks step by step. I keep my space neat. I keep my space neat. I manage my time well. I manage my time well. I finish my work on time. I finish my work on time. I feel satisfied with my effort. I feel satisfied with my effort. I return home calmly. I return home calmly. I relax after a long day. I relax after a long day. I drink tea or water slowly. I drink tea or water slowly. I enjoy a quiet evening. I enjoy a quiet evening. I eat a light dinner. I eat a light dinner. I avoid heavy food at night. I avoid heavy food at night. I slow down my activities. I slow down my activities. I prepare for the next day. I prepare for the next day. I wash my hands and face. I wash my hands and face. I change into night clothes. I change into night clothes. I dim the lights softly. I dim the lights softly. I keep my room peaceful. I keep my room peaceful. I lie down comfortably. I lie down comfortably. I relax my muscles fully. I relax my muscles fully. I breathe deeply and slowly. I breathe deeply and slowly. I release daily stress. I release daily stress. I feel safe and calm. I feel safe and calm. I close my eyes. Gently, I close my eyes gently. I let my thoughts fade. I let my thoughts fade. I fall asleep naturally. I fall asleep naturally. I sleep peacefully through the night. I sleep peacefully through the night. I wake up refreshed. I wake up refreshed. I value my family deeply. I value my family deeply. My family gives me steady support. My family gives me steady support. I feel safe and comfortable at home. I feel safe and comfortable at home. My parents care for me every day. My parents care for me every day. I respect my parents always. I respect my parents always. I listen to their guidance calmly. I listen to their guidance calmly. My family teaches me good values. My family teaches me good values. I feel grateful for my family. I feel grateful for my family. We spend quality time together. We spend quality time together. We talk calmly and openly. We talk calmly and openly. My home feels warm and peaceful. My home feels warm and peaceful. I trust my family completely. I trust my family completely. My family encourages my growth. My family encourages my growth. I feel loved and accepted. I feel loved and accepted. My siblings support me. My siblings support me. I care for my brothers and sisters. I care for my brothers and sisters. We help each other daily. We help each other daily. We respect one another. We respect one another. Family bonds make me strong. Family bonds make me strong. I appreciate family traditions. I appreciate family traditions. I have kind and loyal friends. I have kind and loyal friends. My friends support me emotionally. My friends support me emotionally. I enjoy time with my friends. I enjoy time with my friends. We share thoughts peacefully. We share thoughts peacefully. I communicate honestly with others. I communicate honestly with others. I listen carefully when people speak. I listen carefully when people speak. I respect different opinions. I respect different opinions. I treat people with kindness. I treat people with kindness. I build trust slowly. I build trust slowly. Trust strengthens relationships. Trust strengthens relationships. I express my feelings clearly. I express my feelings clearly. I stay calm during disagreements. I stay calm during disagreements. I forgive mistakes easily. I forgive mistakes easily. I learn from relationships. I learn from relationships. I support people around me. I support people around me. I appreciate small acts of care. I appreciate small acts of care. I maintain healthy boundaries. I maintain healthy boundaries. I choose positive relationships. I choose positive relationships. I feel connected to others. I feel connected to others. I give support freely. I give support freely. I receive support calmly. I receive support calmly. Relationships bring balance to life. Relationships bring balance to life. I grow through connections. I grow through connections. I feel confident with people. I feel confident with people. I attract respectful relationships. I attract respectful relationships. I enjoy meaningful connections. I enjoy meaningful connections. My relationships feel stable. My relationships feel stable. I nurture relationships daily. I nurture relationships daily. Healthy relationships bring peace. Healthy relationships bring peace. Hush hush work and office English. I start my workday with focus. I start my workday with focus. I arrive at work on time. I arrive at work on time. I organize my tasks carefully. I organize my tasks carefully. I check my schedule calmly. I check my schedule calmly. I read my emails slowly. I read my emails slowly. I reply with clear messages. I reply with clear messages. I plan my work for the day. I plan my work for the day. I begin tasks one by one. I begin tasks one by one. I work steadily and patiently. I work steadily and patiently. I stay calm during busy hours. I stay calm during busy hours. I focus on important tasks. I focus on important tasks. I avoid unnecessary distractions. I avoid unnecessary distractions. I attend meetings peacefully. I attend meetings peacefully. I listen to my team carefully. I listen to my team carefully. I share ideas clearly. I share ideas clearly. I respect different opinions. I respect different opinions. I work well with my team. I work well with my team. Teamwork improves our results. Teamwork improves our results. I follow instructions properly. I follow instructions properly. I ask for help when needed. I ask for help when needed. I learn new skills at work. I learn new skills at work. I improve my performance daily. I improve my performance daily. I manage my time well. I manage my time well. I take short breaks calmly. I take short breaks calmly. I return to work refreshed. I return to work refreshed. I complete tasks step by step. I complete tasks step by step. I check my work carefully. I check my work carefully. I correct mistakes calmly. I correct mistakes calmly. I meet deadlines successfully. I meet deadlines successfully. I stay professional always. I stay professional always. I communicate politely at work. I communicate politely at work. I respect my managers. I respect my managers. I support my coworkers. I support my coworkers. I accept feedback positively. I accept feedback positively. I stay calm under pressure. I stay calm under pressure. I handle responsibilities well. I handle responsibilities well. I keep my workspace clean. I keep my workspace clean. I organize files properly. I organize files properly. I finish my work efficiently. I finish my work efficiently. I review completed tasks. I review completed tasks. I prepare reports carefully. I prepare reports carefully. I feel confident in my role. I feel confident in my role. I feel satisfied with my work. I feel satisfied with my work. My job supports my growth. My job supports my growth. I learn something new daily. I learn something new daily. I grow professionally over time. I grow professionally over time. Work gives structure to life. Work gives structure to life. I feel stable in my career. I feel stable in my career. Travel and transportation. I plan my travel calmly. I plan my travel calmly. I pack my bag carefully. I pack my bag carefully. I carry only useful items. I carry only useful items. I leave home on time. I leave home on time. I walk to the station calmly. I walk to the station calmly. I wait patiently for transport. I wait patiently for transport. I travel by bus comfortably. I travel by bus comfortably. I ride the train peacefully. I ride the train peacefully. I follow travel schedules. I follow travel schedules. I keep my ticket safe. I keep my ticket safe. I listen to announcements carefully. I listen to announcements carefully. I move through stations calmly. I move through stations calmly. I respect travel rules. I respect travel rules. I carry my luggage properly. I carry my luggage properly. I find my seat easily. I find my seat easily. I sit comfortably during travel. I sit comfortably during travel. I enjoy looking outside. I enjoy looking outside. I observe new places quietly. I observe new places quietly. I stay relaxed while traveling. I stay relaxed while traveling. I drink water during the journey. I drink water during the journey. I eat light food while traveling. I eat light food while traveling. I remain calm in transit. I remain calm in transit. I reach my destination safely. I reach my destination safely. I check into the hotel smoothly. I check into the hotel smoothly. I keep my room organized. I keep my room organized. I rest after the journey. I rest after the journey. I feel refreshed after rest. I feel refreshed after rest. I explore places slowly. I explore places slowly. I follow local guidelines. I follow local guidelines. I communicate politely with staff. I communicate politely with staff. I use maps confidently. I use maps confidently. I ask for directions calmly. I ask for directions calmly. I protect my belongings. I protect my belongings. Shopping and money. I plan my shopping calmly. I plan my shopping calmly. I make a simple shopping list. I make a simple shopping list. I visit shops without rushing. I visit shops without rushing. I look at items carefully. I look at items carefully. I check prices before buying. I check prices before buying. I compare quality and value. I compare quality and value. I choose useful products. I choose useful products. I avoid unnecessary purchases. I avoid unnecessary purchases. I stay within my budget. I stay within my budget. I spend money wisely. I spend money wisely. I carry cash safely. I carry cash safely. I use digital payment easily. I use digital payment easily. I keep my wallet secure. I keep my wallet secure. I pay bills on time. I pay bills on time. I save money regularly. I save money regularly. I track my daily expenses. I track my daily expenses. I manage my finances carefully. I manage my finances carefully. I understand the value of money. I understand the value of money. I respect my hard work. I respect my hard work. I shop with confidence. I shop with confidence. I avoid impulse buying. I avoid impulse buying. I wait for good deals. I wait for good deals. I buy quality items. I buy quality items. I keep receipts safely. I keep receipts safely. I check expiry dates. I check expiry dates. I shop responsibly. I shop responsibly. I plan monthly spending. I plan monthly spending. I save for future needs. I save for future needs. I build financial security. I build financial security. I feel calm about money. I feel calm about money. I control spending habits. I control spending habits. I understand my income. I understand my income. I balance spending and saving. I balance spending and saving. I make smart financial choices. I make smart financial choices. I respect financial limits. I respect financial limits. I feel confident managing money. I feel confident managing money. I reduce unnecessary costs. I reduce unnecessary costs. I value financial stability. I value financial stability. I plan purchases ahead. I plan purchases ahead. I feel satisfied after shopping. I feel satisfied after shopping. Money supports my daily needs. Money supports my daily needs. I maintain financial discipline. I maintain financial discipline. I feel secure financially. I feel secure financially. I learn better money habits. I learn better money habits. Smart spending brings peace. Smart spending brings peace. I manage money calmly. I manage money calmly. Financial balance improves life. Financial balance improves life. Health and body. I maintain consistent physical well being. I maintain consistent physical well being. My body responds positively to healthy routines. My body responds positively to healthy routines. I practice mindful breathing throughout the day. I practice mindful breathing throughout the day. I nourish my body with balanced nutrition. I nourish my body with balanced nutrition. I stay hydrated to support body functions. I stay hydrated to support body functions. I engage in regular physical movement. I engage in regular physical movement. I stretch muscles to improve flexibility. I stretch muscles to improve flexibility. I maintain proper posture while sitting. I maintain proper posture while sitting. I listen carefully to body signals. I listen carefully to body signals. I rest when my body needs recovery. I rest when my body needs recovery. I prioritize quality sleep every night. I prioritize quality sleep every night. I wake feeling restored and energized. I wake feeling restored and energized. I strengthen my immune system naturally. I strengthen my immune system naturally. I reduce stress through calm habits. I reduce stress through calm habits. I manage physical tension effectively. I manage physical tension effectively. I protect my mental and physical health. I protect my mental and physical health. I choose habits that support longevity. I choose habits that support longevity. I maintain personal hygiene consistently. I maintain personal hygiene consistently. I support my body with daily care. I support my body with daily care. I feel steady physical energy. I feel steady physical energy. I maintain a healthy daily rhythm. I maintain a healthy daily rhythm. I recover efficiently after exertion. I recover efficiently after exertion. I regulate my breathing calmly. I regulate my breathing calmly. I remain aware of physical limits. I remain aware of physical limits. I cultivate physical resilience. I cultivate physical resilience. I maintain inner physical balance. I maintain inner physical balance. I choose moderation in habits. I choose moderation in habits. I reduce strain through relaxation. I reduce strain through relaxation. I feel comfortable in my body. I feel comfortable in my body. I maintain stable energy levels. I maintain stable energy levels. I prevent fatigue through rest. I prevent fatigue through rest. I align body and mind. Harmony. I align body and mind harmony. I improve health through consistency. I improve health through consistency. I remain attentive to body needs. I remain attentive to body needs. I strengthen health through discipline. I strengthen health through discipline. I practice self care intentionally. I practice self care intentionally. I feel grounded physically. I feel grounded physically. I maintain calm bodily awareness. I maintain calm bodily awareness. I allow natural recovery processes. I allow natural recovery processes. I respect my body's capacity. I respect my body's capacity. I build sustainable health habits. I build sustainable health habits. I support physical clarity. I support physical clarity. I experience stable well being. I experience stable well being. I sustain long term health. I sustain long term health. I maintain disciplined self care. I maintain disciplined self care. My body functions efficiently. My body functions efficiently. I value holistic health. I value holistic health. Physical balance supports my life. Physical balance supports my life. Food and eating. I consume meals with mindful awareness. I consume meals with mindful awareness. I prioritize nutritional balance in my diet. I prioritize nutritional balance in my diet. I choose whole foods regularly. I choose whole foods regularly. I limit highly processed foods. I limit highly processed foods. I prepare meals with intention. I prepare meals with intention. I follow consistent eating routines. I follow consistent eating routines. I nourish my body through thoughtful choices. I nourish my body through thoughtful choices. I eat slowly to support digestion. I eat slowly to support digestion. I recognize natural hunger signals. I recognize natural hunger signals. I stop eating when comfortably full. I stop eating when comfortably full. I maintain portion awareness. I maintain portion awareness. I hydrate adequately throughout meals. I hydrate adequately throughout meals. I include fruits in daily meals. I include fruits in daily meals. I include vegetables consistently. I include vegetables consistently. I prefer freshly prepared food. I prefer freshly prepared food. I cook with clean ingredients. I cook with clean ingredients. I organize food storage properly. I organize food storage properly. I respect food quality standards. I respect food quality standards. I enjoy natural flavors fully. I enjoy natural flavors fully. I avoid unnecessary overeating. I avoid unnecessary overeating. I plan meals ahead carefully. I plan meals ahead carefully. I maintain regular meal timing. I maintain regular meal timing. I select healthy cooking methods. I select healthy cooking methods. I enjoy warm, nourishing meals. I enjoy warm, nourishing meals. I reduce late night eating. I reduce late night eating. I eat with calm focus. I eat with calm focus. I avoid distractions during meals. I avoid distractions. During meals, I appreciate food sources. I appreciate food sources. I practice gratitude while eating. I practice gratitude while eating. I sustain energy through nutrition. I sustain energy through nutrition. I maintain digestive comfort. I maintain digestive comfort. I avoid excessive sugar intake. I avoid excessive sugar intake. I balance taste and health. I balance taste and health. I select foods supporting wellness. I select foods supporting wellness. I follow dietary moderation. I follow dietary moderation. I eat according to body needs. I eat according to body needs. I experience satisfaction after meals. I experience satisfaction after meals. I nourish long term health. I nourish long term health. I maintain disciplined eating habits. I maintain disciplined eating habits. I feel stable energy levels. I feel stable energy levels. I strengthen health through food. I strengthen health through food. I support metabolism naturally. I support metabolism naturally. I enjoy balanced nutrition. I enjoy balanced nutrition. I sustain dietary consistency. I sustain dietary consistency. I respect my nutritional needs. I respect my nutritional needs. I align food with wellness. I align food with wellness. Eating supports my vitality. Eating supports my vitality. I maintain mindful nourishment. I maintain mindful nourishment. Time and weather. I manage my time with discipline. I manage my time with discipline. I follow a structured daily schedule. I follow a structured daily schedule. I allocate time efficiently. I allocate time efficiently. I respect deadlines consistently. I respect deadlines consistently. I balance productivity and rest. I balance productivity and rest. I plan my days in advance. I plan my days in advance. I remain punctual in commitments. I remain punctual in commitments. I organize priorities clearly. I organize priorities clearly. I value consistency in routines. I value consistency in routines. I adapt smoothly to schedule changes. I adapt smoothly to schedule changes. I maintain awareness of passing time. I maintain awareness of passing time. I slow down when necessary. I slow down when necessary. I remain patient with long processes. I remain patient with long processes. I live attentively in the present. I live attentively in the present. I manage busy periods calmly. I manage busy periods calmly. I observe weather patterns naturally. I observe weather patterns naturally. I adapt comfortably to seasonal changes. I adapt comfortably to seasonal changes. I dress appropriately for conditions. I dress appropriately for conditions. I feel calm during rainy days. I feel calm during rainy days. I enjoy clear sunny weather. I enjoy clear sunny weather. I remain steady in cloudy conditions. I remain steady in cloudy conditions. I stay warm in cold temperatures. I stay warm in cold temperatures. I remain cool in hot weather. I remain cool in hot weather. I adjust activities to weather. I adjust activities to weather. I feel grounded by natural cycles. I feel grounded by natural cycles. I appreciate seasonal variety. I appreciate seasonal variety. I remain flexible with time demands. I remain flexible with time demands. I regulate my daily pace. I regulate my daily pace. I respect natural rhythms. I respect natural rhythms. I stay calm during storms. I stay calm during storms. I enjoy gentle breezes. I enjoy gentle breezes. I find comfort in quiet nights. I find comfort in quiet nights. I wake naturally with daylight. I wake naturally with daylight. I maintain energy across the day. I maintain energy across the day. I align activities with time flow. I align activities with time flow. I reduce urgency when possible. I reduce urgency when possible. I experience steady daily balance. I experience steady daily balance. I manage hours intentionally. I manage hours intentionally. I allow time for recovery. I allow time for recovery. I adjust plans thoughtfully. I adjust plans thoughtfully. I remain calm across changing hours. I remain calm across changing hours. I feel supported by time. I feel supported by time. I accept weather conditions peacefully. I accept weather conditions peacefully. I maintain composure through seasons. I maintain composure through seasons. I synchronize life with nature. I synchronize life with nature. Time supports steady progress. Time supports steady progress. Weather brings natural variation. Weather brings natural variation. I remain balanced through cycles. I remain balanced through cycles. Emotions and mindset. I regulate my emotions consciously. I regulate my emotions consciously. I maintain emotional stability. I maintain emotional stability. I respond thoughtfully to situations. I respond thoughtfully to situations. I remain composed under pressure. I remain composed under pressure. I cultivate mental clarity daily. I cultivate mental clarity daily. I release unnecessary worries. I release unnecessary worries. I maintain a positive mindset. I maintain a positive mindset. I manage stress effectively. I manage stress effectively. I stay grounded during challenges. I stay grounded during challenges. I trust my inner strength. I trust my inner strength. I process emotions with awareness. I process emotions with awareness. I practice emotional discipline. I practice emotional discipline. I maintain calm reactions. I maintain calm reactions. I acknowledge feelings without resistance. I acknowledge feelings without resistance. I focus on constructive thoughts. I focus on constructive thoughts. I remain patient with myself. I remain patient with myself. I cultivate self confidence steadily. I cultivate self confidence steadily. I choose emotional balance. I choose emotional balance. I allow thoughts to settle naturally. I allow thoughts to settle naturally. I maintain mental resilience. I maintain mental resilience. I respond with emotional intelligence. I respond with emotional intelligence. I reduce internal tension. I reduce internal tension. I regulate my breathing calmly. I regulate my breathing calmly. I maintain inner composure. I maintain inner composure. I feel emotionally secure. I feel emotionally secure. I guide my thoughts intentionally. I guide my thoughts intentionally. I practice mindful awareness. I practice mindful awareness. I remain emotionally centered. I remain emotionally centered. I manage reactions responsibly. I manage reactions responsibly. I accept myself fully. I accept myself fully. I cultivate psychological strength. I cultivate psychological strength. I sustain emotional clarity. I sustain emotional clarity. I regulate mood fluctuations. I regulate mood fluctuations. I maintain steady inner peace. I maintain steady inner peace. I reduce emotional overload. I reduce emotional overload. I strengthen emotional control. I strengthen emotional control. I nurture calm awareness. I nurture calm awareness. I remain present mentally. I remain present mentally. I support mental balance. I support mental balance. I stabilize emotional responses. I stabilize emotional responses. I trust my emotional process. I trust my emotional process. I sustain calm focus. I sustain calm focus. I maintain emotional maturity. I maintain emotional maturity. I develop resilient thinking. I develop resilient thinking. I remain clear headed. I remain clear headed. I integrate calm thinking. I integrate calm thinking. I experience emotional steadiness. I experience emotional steadiness. My mindset supports stability. My mindset supports stability. I maintain conscious emotional control. I maintain conscious emotional control. Success and positive life statements. I commit to continuous personal growth. I commit to continuous personal growth. I pursue goals with discipline. I pursue goals with discipline. I maintain focus on long term success. I maintain focus on long term success. I progress steadily toward my objectives. I progress steadily toward my objectives. I trust the process of improvement. I trust the process of improvement. I build success through consistency. I build success through consistency. I strengthen skills through practice. I strengthen skills through practice. I learn from every experience. I learn from every experience. I apply lessons effectively. I apply lessons effectively. I remain dedicated to improvement. I remain dedicated to improvement. I manage challenges with composure. I manage challenges with composure. I adapt strategies intelligently. I adapt strategies intelligently. I maintain confidence in my abilities. I maintain confidence in my abilities. I execute plans with clarity. I execute plans with clarity. I sustain motivation through discipline. I sustain motivation through discipline. I remain persistent under pressure. I remain persistent under pressure. I convert effort into results. I convert effort into results. I take responsibility for outcomes. I take responsibility for outcomes. I establish productive habits. I establish productive habits. I prioritize meaningful progress. I prioritize meaningful progress. I remain focused despite obstacles. I remain focused despite obstacles. I build resilience through experience. I build resilience through experience. I maintain forward momentum. I maintain forward momentum. I measure success through growth. I measure success through growth. I refine goals continuously. I refine goals continuously. I align actions with purpose. I align actions with purpose. I sustain long term vision. I sustain long term vision. I cultivate professional excellence. I cultivate professional excellence. I manage time and energy wisely. I manage time and energy wisely. I stay consistent in effort. I stay consistent in effort. I trust my potential fully. I trust my potential fully. I remain accountable for progress. I remain accountable for progress. I enhance performance intentionally. I enhance performance intentionally. I maintain strategic focus. I maintain strategic focus. I develop mastery patiently. I develop mastery patiently. I execute tasks efficiently. I execute tasks efficiently. I remain committed to excellence. I remain committed to excellence. I sustain confidence through action. I sustain confidence through action. I recognize incremental achievements. I recognize incremental achievements. I reinforce productive behaviors. I reinforce productive behaviors. I stay aligned with objectives. I stay aligned with objectives. I progress through disciplined effort. I progress through disciplined effort. I transform vision into reality. I transform vision into reality. I maintain belief in success. I maintain belief in success. I operate with purposeful intent. I operate with purposeful intent. I cultivate sustainable achievement. I cultivate sustainable achievement. I remain focused on excellence. I remain focused on excellence. I integrate learning into action. I integrate learning into action. I achieve success through consistency. I achieve success through consistency. I didn't expect things to turn out this way. I didn't expect things to turn out this way. Give me some time. I need to think clearly. Give me some time. I need to think clearly. He speaks confidently, but he lacks experience. He speaks confidently, but he lacks experience. I'm slowly getting used to this routine. I'm slowly getting used to this routine. Don't judge the situation too quickly. Don't judge the situation too quickly. She prefers listening more than talking. She prefers listening more than talking. I realized my mistake a little too late. I realized my mistake a little too late. This decision can affect my future. This decision can affect my future. I try to stay calm under pressure. I try to stay calm under pressure. He avoided answering that question. He avoided answering that question. I don't feel comfortable sharing this publicly. I don't feel comfortable sharing this publicly. She handled the situation very maturely. She handled the situation very maturely. I'm focusing on improving myself these days. I'm focusing on improving myself these days. That habit is hard to break. That habit is hard to break. He learned everything through experience. He learned everything through experience. I need to manage my time better. I need to manage my time better. She remained silent during the argument. She remained silent during the argument. I don't want to depend on anyone. I don't want to depend on anyone. Things didn't go according to the plan. Things didn't go according to the plan. He took responsibility for his actions. He took responsibility for his actions. I'm mentally preparing myself for challenges. I'm mentally preparing myself for challenges. She noticed a change in his behavior. She noticed a change in his behavior. I don't regret making that choice. I don't regret making that choice. He prefers quality over quantity. He prefers quality over quantity. I learned a valuable lesson from this. I learned a valuable lesson from this. She expressed her opinion confidently. She expressed her opinion confidently. I don't want unnecessary complications. I don't want unnecessary complications. He struggled before achieving success. He struggled before achieving success. I'm trying to stay consistent. I'm trying to stay consistent. She understands the situation very well. She understands the situation very well. I don't want to repeat the same mistake. I don't want to repeat the same mistake. He stayed focused despite distractions. He stayed focused despite distractions. I'm learning to control my emotions. I'm learning to control my emotions. She values honesty above everything. She values honesty above everything. I don't feel the need to explain myself. I don't feel the need to explain myself. He accepted the reality calmly. He accepted the reality calmly. I'm trying to think logically, not emotionally. I'm trying to think logically, not emotionally. She didn't let fear stop her. She didn't let fear stop her. I need to be more disciplined. I need to be more disciplined. He waited patiently for the right moment. He waited patiently for the right moment. I don't like wasting my energy. I don't like wasting my energy. She stayed positive even in tough times. She stayed positive even in tough times. I'm building confidence step by step. I'm building confidence step by step. He learned to accept criticism. He learned to accept criticism. I don't want shortcuts anymore. I don't want shortcuts anymore. She stayed committed to her goal. She stayed committed to her goal. I'm slowly improving my communication skills. I'm slowly improving my communication skills. He believes consistency matters the most. He believes consistency matters the most. I don't let small failures discourage me. I don't let small failures discourage me. She trusts the process completely. She trusts the process completely. I never imagined I would reach this point. I never imagined I would reach this point. I'm learning to trust my instincts. I'm learning to trust my instincts. He stayed quiet, but his eyes said everything. He stayed quiet, but his eyes said everything. I don't feel like explaining myself anymore. I don't feel like explaining myself anymore. She adapted quickly to the new environment. She adapted quickly to the new environment. I'm trying to make better choices now. I'm trying to make better choices now. He underestimated the difficulty of the task. He underestimated the difficulty of the task. I prefer progress over perfection. I prefer progress over perfection. She handled criticism with grace. She handled criticism with grace. I'm slowly letting go of past mistakes. I'm slowly letting go of past mistakes. He took a different approach this time. He took a different approach this time. I don't want to rush important decisions. I don't want to rush important decisions. She observed everything carefully. She observed everything carefully. I'm focusing on long term growth. I'm focusing on long term growth. He avoided unnecessary conflicts. He avoided unnecessary conflicts. I don't feel pressured anymore. I don't feel pressured anymore. She remained confident despite doubts. She remained confident despite doubts. I'm learning to respond, not react. I'm learning to respond, not react. He accepted change without resistance. He accepted change without resistance. I don't depend on motivation alone. I don't depend on motivation alone. She understood the value of patience. She understood the value of patience. I'm becoming more self aware each day. I'm becoming more self aware each day. He didn't let fear control him. He didn't let fear control him. I don't chase approval anymore. I don't chase approval anymore. She stayed calm during the chaos. She stayed calm during the chaos. I'm learning from every experience. I'm learning from every experience. He respected different perspectives. He respected different perspectives. I don't feel the urge to compete. I don't feel the urge to compete. She focused on what truly mattered. She focused on what truly mattered. I'm building habits that support my goals. I'm building habits that support my goals. He stayed disciplined even when tired. He stayed disciplined even when tired. I don't let emotions cloud my judgment. I don't let emotions cloud my judgment. She trusted her preparation. She trusted her preparation. I'm learning to communicate with clarity. I'm learning to communicate with clarity. He valued effort more than results. He valued effort more than results. I don't give up when things get uncomfortable. I don't give up when things get uncomfortable. She stayed consistent with her routine. She stayed consistent with her routine. I'm focusing on what I can control. I'm focusing on what I can control. He learned patience through struggle. He learned patience through struggle. I don't waste time overthinking anymore. I don't waste time overthinking anymore. She remained strong under pressure. She remained strong under pressure. I'm learning to set clear boundaries. I'm learning to set clear boundaries. He faced reality without excuses. He faced reality without excuses. I don't avoid hard conversations anymore. I don't avoid hard conversations anymore. She stayed committed to self improvement. She stayed committed to self improvement. I'm becoming more confident with practice. I'm becoming more confident with practice. He believed in steady progress. He believed in steady progress. I don't let setbacks define me. I don't let setbacks define me. She trusted herself completely. She trusted herself completely. I'm starting to see things more clearly now. I'm starting to see things more clearly now. He chose silence instead of arguments. He chose silence instead of arguments. I don't feel stuck anymore. I don't feel stuck anymore. She learned to adapt under pressure. She learned to adapt under pressure. I'm focusing on depth, not speed. I'm focusing on depth, not speed. He stayed grounded despite success. He stayed grounded despite success. I don't let negativity affect my mood. I don't let negativity affect my mood. She observed patterns others ignored. She observed patterns others ignored. I'm learning to handle responsibility. I'm learning to handle responsibility. He accepted feedback without ego. He accepted feedback without ego. I don't rush when clarity is missing. I don't rush when clarity is missing. She trusted her instincts fully. She trusted her instincts fully. I'm building mental resilience daily. I'm building mental resilience daily. He remained patient during uncertainty. He remained patient during uncertainty. I don't depend on external validation. I don't depend on external validation. She focused on consistent improvement. She focused on consistent improvement. I'm learning to pause before reacting. I'm learning to pause before reacting. He faced challenges head on. He faced challenges head on. I don't allow fear to make decisions. I don't allow fear to make decisions. She handled pressure with confidence. She handled pressure with confidence. I'm learning to prioritize effectively. I'm learning to prioritize effectively. He valued discipline over motivation. He valued discipline over motivation. I don't avoid discomfort anymore. I don't avoid discomfort anymore. She remained calm in tense moments. She remained calm in tense moments. I'm strengthening my communication skills. I'm strengthening my communication skills. He learned the importance of timing. He learned the importance of timing. You're doing great. Consistent listening builds confident English speaking. Subscribe to English Speak and Practice to continue your journey. We'll be here whenever you're ready. Good night and sweet dreams.